Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So ये मेरा तीसरा वीडियो है and I'm really excited as usual. In this video I'm going to share you some jewelry sets, as we all know that Diwali is just around the corner. And I literally just bought them a few days back. So I just thought why not share it with you guys. So let's get started. So starting with the first item. The first item is a set. It's an entire jewelry set, oxidized. It has got earrings, it has got a necklace, and it has got some bangles. So just let me show you the necklace first. So this is the necklace set. It has a knot here, adjustable knot, which you can adjust it accordingly. It goes like this or it goes behind. And let me show you how it looked on me. I think it's pretty. It's quite gorgeous, right? These are the earrings. Can you see it? It has peacock here, and these are the basic jhumkas. These jhumkas also have a beautiful design, and these are oxidized. And I think most of the girls have a thing for oxidized jewelry. So let me just put it on and show it to you. This is how it looked on my ear. I think they look gorgeous, right? Yeah, they do. These are just basic jhumkas, but these jhumkas have designs over here. These are, I think, traditional designs, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, these just look like some traditional designs. And this has balls at the bottom attached, just to give them the traditional look. The bangles. So these are the ones. It's an entire set of bangles. So it comes like this. When you pack it up, the khola nahi hai. I just tried on these and they look really gorgeous. I cannot tell you how gorgeous they look. So these bangles, they have different sizes. I think 2, 4 and 8. Ye I think 4 hai. Yes, this is 4. So you guys can see whatever, you know, size fits you accordingly. Ye pura box is for 2,999, which is 3,000 rupees. But I think मुझे Amazon के sale से मिला, and I just got them for 450 something, and it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. So the next piece is this Chand Bali. ये oxidized नहीं है, and ये I think everyday look के लिए it is perfect, है ना? So these earrings were just for rupees 170. 170 after I got them in the sale. ये कुछ I think 300 कुछ के थे, but I got it for 170. Let me show it to you how it looked on my eyes. These earrings are not at all heavy. ये काफ़ी लाइट वेट है and regular use के लिए these are perfect. Like office पहन के जाना हो या college पहन के जाना हो. So I think these are very casual also. These balis are called Chand balis because it is a crescent moon drawn over here, and again the latkan or the balls. So काफी traditional look देता है, and I think they are quite pretty. These earrings are quite affordable for regular wear, I would say, because you know it's just for rupees 170, and काफी अच्छे लगते हैं दिखने में भी. So moving on to the next jewelry piece. The next item is also an earring. So this is the one. Can you guys see it? It is gold oxidized jewelry, and it has pearls attached here, and a small little jhumka over here to give it a traditional look. So this is how it looks. If you guys like really lightweight earrings, I would not recommend you this piece because this is heavy. This is actually heavy. So this earring was for 200 rupees, I think. Yes, this was 200. But उस टाइम पे कोई सेल चल रहा था तो I got it for 165 rupees. 165 only. Aren't they gorgeous? This is how it looks on me. थोड़े heavy earrings हैं but I think सुंदर भी काफी है ना? इस ज्वेलरी के एक्चुअल प्राइस इज 200 रुपीज, बट सिंस सेल चल रहा था तो आई थिंक आई गॉट इट फॉर 165 रुपीज समथिंग, 163, 65 ऐसा कुछ था. इट वॉज नॉट मोर देन 170, आई एम श्योर. सो दीज आर द वंस. सो ये जो इयररिंग्स हैं ये कोई भी हैवी साड़ी या हैवी अनारकली के साथ जाएंगे, बिकॉज यू नो इसमें मोती है यहाँ पे, पर्ल्स ओवर हियर एंड अ स्मॉल लिटिल झुमका ओवर हियर. एंड अगर आपको इसमें कुछ भी यू नो गले में कुछ नहीं डालना, सर पे कुछ नहीं डालना, लाइक मांगटिका और समथिंग लाइक दैट, सिर्फ इयररिंग्स डालनी है, तो ऐसी इयररिंग्स काफ़ी अच्छे लगेंगे विद द फुल फ्लेज्ड साड़ी. एंड यू नो सिर्फ इयररिंग्स डालना विल बी काफ़ी यू नो एलिगेंट, विल लुक काफ़ी एलिगेंट. So these are just metal earrings, like normal metal earrings attached with fox pearls. This is how it looks on me. Also मैं ये earrings नहीं recommend करूँगी because ये काफ़ी heavy है. So moving on to the next piece. This is the next piece. And these are oxidized again, yeah, with mirrors here. Just look at it. And they're pretty. I think ये काफी मिलता जुलता है, you know, with the piece that I showed इसके पहले. It's somewhere in between. इसमें there is a mirror over here and again the latkan. ये ऑनलाइन में तो इट वॉज शोइंग फॉर समथिंग लाइक 1000 समथिंग, बट सेल में मुझे 200 रुपये के मिल गए हैं. एंड आई थिंक इसका जो मिरर वर्क है वो यू नो इट गिव्स इट अ वेरी नाइस लुक. ट्राइड ऑन, सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. ये भी काफ़ी कैजुअल है, लाइक रेगुलर आउटफिट्स के लिए. आपको ये रेगुलरली पहनना हो तो यू नो आप ये पहन सकते हो, लाइक ऑफिस जाना हो या कॉलेज पहन के जाना हो. सो दीज आर क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल ऑल्सो फॉर रेगुलर यूज. सो कमिंग टू द लास्ट ज्वेलरी पीस. सो दिस इज द लास्ट वन. सो दिस आर द इयररिंग्स. ये मेरा सबसे फेवरेट वाला इयररिंग है बिकॉज दीज हैज मिरर्स हियर एंड यू नो balls over here, लटकन और whatever it is called, I'm not very sure about it, but ये काफी प्यारे भी हैं. Just look at it. So I think these were for 250 or something like that, but again सेल में मिला है तो 150 के मिले हैं. So yes. और इसमें ना सिल्वर भी आते हैं, आई थिंक. यस, सिल्वर वाले भी थे, बट मुझे ये ऑक्सीडाइज वाला ज्यादा बेटर लग रहा था तो आई हैव बॉट दीज. ये काफी अच्छे लग रहे हैं, यू नो, कैन यू सी इट, है ना? इट लुक्स काफी प्यारा. लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई इट ऑन एंड शो इट टू यू हाउ इट लुक्स. लेट मी ट्राई द अदर पीस. काफी अच्छे लग रहे हैं, नो डाउट. ये इतने हैवी नहीं है, थोड़ी से हैवी है, बट आई थिंक ये काफी बेयरेबल है, एटलीस्ट नॉट लाइक द येलो वाला विच आई शोड. इसकी मिरर वर्क बहुत सही से आया है. और ऑल्सो आई वाज स्कैर्ड कि शायद ये मिरर निकल आ सकता है, बट देन यू नो ये अभी तक तो नहीं निकला. सो इट्स perfectly fine. It's doing perfectly fine now. So all the items that I bought are literally my personal favorite. मुझे और भी कई items मिले हैं, jewelry sets and bangles or earrings. I would really like to show them to you as well, but I haven't bought them yet. उन jewelry items की भी मैं link description box में डाल दूँगी, so I would recommend you go and have a look from there. So I really hope that you like my content, and if you guys surely do, then please like this video. And please comment down your recommendations and your suggestions. I would really like to see them. So let's meet in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and have a good day ahead.